What is the universe actually expanding into? If we look far enough into space, we see that almost everything is moving away from us. Almost like we're the center of the universe. Maybe because we are. You are. Every galaxy is. Even distant galaxies see the same thing. Everything moving away from them. That tells us something important. The expansion is happening everywhere. The easiest way to picture this is a 2D universe on the surface of a balloon. When the balloon inflates, every dot on the surface moves away from every other dot. Not because the dots are traveling, but because the space between them is stretching. That's basically what's happening in our universe. But the balloon expands into something, the room around it. Our universe doesn't have that luxury. So what is the universe expanding into? There are two possibilities. First, the universe might be infinite, and infinity doesn't need more room to grow. Infinity plus 1 is still infinity. Infinity plus infinity is still infinity. An infinite universe can simply expand within itself. But what if the universe is finite? A finite universe would likely be unbounded, meaning if you traveled far enough in one direction, you would eventually come back to where you started. But if it's finite and expanding, shouldn't it be expanding into something? Not necessarily. Let me ask you a question. What is north of the North Pole? It sounds like a normal question until you realize it doesn't make sense because there's nothing. That's exactly what asking what is outside the universe is like. Space isn't an object sitting inside something bigger. Space is everything. When the universe expands, nothing is being pumped into it. Instead, the coordinates of space itself are stretching. So the final answer is simple. The universe isn't expanding into anything, because there is no outside of space.